Hey everyone, Crash with Crashly here. I have another Diamond Art Club. Well, this one's more like a first look. Shipping was like slightly delayed. This one was actually released July 12th, but it is called Heavenly Gems by T.S. Larking. It is so beautiful. As some of you may already know that have, been around me for a while. I am a huge cat lover. I think I'm up to having 18 cats now. Not all inside. Most of them are outside in the barn cats. I think I have like 6 inside. But still, I love cats. I love this piece. And I got to talk a little bit with T.S. Larking, and she is just she's so sweet. And she loves cats too. So huge fan. I'm so happy to have this sneak peek for you all, or first look, whatever you want to call it. It is beautiful. So this one is a square diamond square drill kit, Heavenly Gems. It is a 65 by 65 centimeter. We have our beautiful Diamond Art Club box here, how it works, kit contents, and we have our side thumbnail here. It has 55 colors, including 2 ABs and 2 fairy dust. Total diamonds, 68,121. And we have our thumbnail on the butt here. So no matter how you store it, you can easily see what's what. So we are going to get right into it here. It looks like this canvas is going to have a decent amount of confetti. So let's take a look. So inside of our box here, we have our little thank you card with our symbols in it. We have our toolkit, and we have our canvas. Just going to set this aside here. There we go. All right. I'm going to quickly go through this toolkit, as you all have seen this a million times, I'm sure. So we have our twisty Diamond Art Club pin here. This is the pin. This has the brass tips now. Where you go ahead and you just twist it very slowly. The putty just comes out, but be slow. I know it's like reflex, or you really want to just twist it to get it to come out fast, but you just twist it a little bit and then it will slowly come out, I assure you. And we have our extra baggies for drill storage. And we have our upgraded Diamond Art Club tray here with our beautiful lid. We have refillable putty for that pin. If you don't like their putty, they do give you a heart wax here. And we have a 7 placer if you want to place more than 4 at a time. And our tray with the stopper. And if you notice here, these do have grooves at the bottom. So if you get like sized trays, you can actually stack them up on top of each other. So that's pretty cool. All right, let me get this put away here. All right, let's get into our kit up tools here. All right, so this is inside of our thank you card. We have our little card and the symbols. And on the inside, we have tips and tricks, step-by-step instructions. We have a QR code to their Facebook group, and you could save 20% off with that QR code. Or if it is your first time purchasing from Diamond Art Club, you can use my affiliate link in the description. You get a discount, and I get a small kickback as well if it's your first time purchasing. So check that out. This is our treasure quest card for Heavenly Gems. You have the artist name T.S. Larking, amazing, Heavenly Gems, and the size. This card, if you don't ever know like what color it is or what rarity, this is a bronze. It says so on the back right where you scratch it off. If you want more information about the treasure quest cards, you basically can scratch this off and redeem them, save up points to redeem them for like things like gift cards or even a custom diamond painting. So that link is in the description of this video if you want more information about the treasure quest cards. And we have our symbols here. So here is a quick glance at the different symbols. And at the end here we have our special drills. You see the 2 fairy dusts and 2 ABs. Fairy dusts start with the Z, and then ABs of course start with the ABs. And we have our thumbnail, which is also a sticker. You can put your start date and end date for when you do kit up your diamond painting. And these are also individual stickers. So if you use containers, or if you want to use those baggies, you can easily, label what color you're working with. So I'm going to put this back here, and then we're going to get into the canvas. All right, let's go ahead and open this up here. Just took it out of the plastic sleeve and set that over there. Okay. Now, let's see. I already see cute little ears. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is so beautiful. Oh my gosh. It does look like a beautiful amount of confetti. Okay, real quick, I'm going to flatten this out and then I'll be right back. Okay, so here's another canvas that surprised me how much I like it. Like, I knew I'd love it, you know, because, hello, it's cats. But let me just zoom into these eyes here real quick. Look at the rendering job on this. This is fantastic. And it looks like the cat is in this really pretty, like, it reminds me of like an aquatic, like a mermaid type of frame here, just with like the beautiful blues. And I really like how the patches of the fur, like it's a long-haired cat and it's outlined in this darker color. This is just so stunning. It, like, if there was a cat from Atlantis, I think it would be this cat. Do you think cats would visit Atlantis? I don't know. But if there were ever, this is its collar. Look at this. It has like feathers, and does this not look like this cat goes to Atlantis? Or am I crazy? I don't think I'm crazy. I think I'm spot on. It is so beautiful. I really, really, really like it. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and get into the drills. I'm gonna go through each color one by one. So if you don't like this part, feel free to fast forward. At the end of the video, I'm gonna give you like a close-up of each section of the canvas. So you could see, it does look like a bit of confetti, but not too bad. Not like crazy off-putting kind of confetti, if you know what I mean. Okay, so let's go through the drills. I can already tell we have lots of beautiful blues and corally colors. Okay, here we go. So we have 3842. Here's a beautiful blue. It's like a dark fairy dust, Z517. Oh, that is stunning. And I'll also go through the canvas and find out where the special drills are going, so you can see where the 2 fairy dust and 2 ABs go. We have 3752, 518, 3052, 800, 938, 3760, 898. Here's another fairy dust, Z729. Beautiful. Then we have 992. We have 2 bags of 829. Then we have 803. 2 bags of 370. Then 2 bags of 801, like a dark brown color. 2 bags of 830. Okay, let's set these over here. Next, we have 775, 712. Oh, 2 bags of 712. Then we have 3053, 2 bags of 738, 2 bags of 3829. That 9 is what wigged me out. Look how weird that looks. Okay, so we have 2 bags of 3829, 2 bags of 597. So many pretty blues. We have 932, 336, 780, 3051, 739. Here is our AB 5200, beautiful white. We have 3861, 6014, 648, 3041. Set those over here. Next, is this the last one? Oh, we got a tiny one here, I see. Okay, so we have 451, 3817, 300. And this should be our last strand. Yep, we have 318, 3756, 758. Here's, oh, this is really pretty. It's a purple AB 554. Beautiful. And we have 823, 310, 3768, 3740, 3778, 341, 3766, 754, 966, 356, 211, 3777, 993, 221, 355, 935. Beautiful. Okay, So I'm going to go ahead and take a closer look at the canvas here, and I'm going to check out to see where all the ABs and the fairy dust goes. So I'll be right back. Alright, so the first special we're going to look at is the fairy dust Z729. It looks like this. Beautiful glittery drills, and that is the up, like the up arrow symbol. And so I found these kind of all throughout the bottom here, you know, anywhere where you see this up symbol here. And we have them, so basically all throughout the border, and then you can see quite a few here in the actual cat. It looks like it's going to be the outline of the highlights of the kitty and on the border of the little frame that we got going on here. And then the next one we have is going to be our Z517, beautiful dark blue one, and that's the K symbol here. This is also kind of throughout. Like you can see a bunch here kind of bordering where the highlights are. So having like the dark fairy dust throughout the highlights is beautiful. There's also a few fairy dust here in the eyes, but everywhere where you see that K. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. We have a ton in the top of the frame as well. Lots of beautiful blue fairy dusts right in here, yes. Big patches of it in the frame. All right, and the two ABs is going to be this white dot for the white AB here, and then a little cursive A for this purple one here. And I found these kind of scattered throughout too. Like we see down here, a big patch of the white ABs. And then the little cursive A is kind of throughout the border here. So that's going to add really nice shimmery to it. Yeah, just throughout the outside is where I mostly see it. Just kind of trickling in there to add some extra shimmer. That is going to be absolutely beautiful. I love the aquatic feel of this canvas. I really do. I'm just going to kind of go through it so you can see close-ups. This is right in the middle on her face here. It's so pretty. I really like the way that she did the whiskers too. It's just a very, very pretty feel. And then it has the lighter right in between its eyes. Lots of those ABs here, those white ones. And there's its ear. You want to see the side of that border too. It's just a very well done. I love this piece. I love cats. And here's a close-up of the bottom here where all those like gems are. The pearly gems. This one's called Heavenly Gems, but still, it is beautiful. Anyway, that's it for this one. I hope you love it. Like I said, this was kind of like a first look. It was already released back on July 12th. It is still in stock. Again, the artist is T.S. Larking, and it is called Heavenly Gems. So if you need to have this, which I'm thinking you do if you're a cat lover, because it's beautiful, go check it out. Go grab yours now. It is still in stock. If you have not purchased from Diamond Art Club before, use my link down in this description below and save yourself some money. And then, like I said, I get a small kickback as well. So if you're brand new here, subscribe, hit the thumbs up on your way out. And until next time, everyone, bye-bye.